You got the power.
Just kind of playing Godzilla vs. Optimus Prime. I mean, I'm geeking out because it's time for our second showcase of apartment homes! So why are we geeking out at Sawmill Village? It's time for our second showcase of apartment homes. It'll be happening April 24th through the 26th. So why don't we head inside and power up? Check out our Avengers-sized fitness center. You can practice all of your superhero powers, including hulking out, if you catch my drift. I'm back. You can always check out our fantastic sauna. It's a wonderful place to practice your Jedi meditation or your mind tricks. Yeah, thank you. Jedi mind trick. So beam on down to Sawmill Village, April 24th through the 26th. And we'll be hosting our second showcase of apartment homes. We hope we'll see you there so you can geek out with us. Now check the description below where you can find a link to our Facebook page, where we'll have other events leading up to the showcase. Till then,